Hello there, welcome once again to my channel. On today's video we will do a photo walk in the Victoria and Albert Museum using this medium format camera, the Mamiya C220 medium format camera. I have been really enjoying using this camera lately because it allows me to slow down the process even more, like my 35mm camera. And this particular camera has this very nice bellows that can be extended, which is a very unique feature for a TLR like this. So what this allows is to take very close-up shots of the subject. So I will be exploiting that capability in the museum as well today. So come and join me and see what we find on this one. So we are already here inside the museum, and for the Filmstock we will use a Mamiya 400 on this occasion. So let's load the film and start our walk around here. I want to take a photo on this place. I really like the composition I can get with the sculptures on the left, and there's some nice lighting in the floor, some highlights and shadows. Okay, now I want to take this composition with these three sculptures, so one in the foreground and a bit in the background. So let's set up for that one. In here I'm going to use the light coming from the window. I will use a slow shutter speed, so something like 30th of a second, and I will wait for someone to walk by, and hopefully we can get the silhouette and also a bit of blur to indicate the motion. So I will wait patiently here for the right subject. I will just set up the camera, measure my exposure first. So that's giving me 30 of a second at 5.6. Now we just wait for the right subject. So I want to take a picture of this art here. It's quite small, so I want to see how much detail I can capture. And it's also a very low lighting condition here. I will try. So a camera like this is ideal for indoors, such as a museum, or low light conditions in general, because the TLRs, they have a leaf shutter. So that means that when they are triggered, they don't introduce a lot of vibration into the camera. So you can use even a longer shutter speed. It could be 30th or 50th of a second, and then you will not get, or you're less likely to get some motion blurriness. Well, it has been a great afternoon here in the museum with the medium format camera. So I hope you found this video useful and inspirational for you as well. And I will see you guys on the next one. Bye!